Single tooth restoration. The single tooth restoration is used when one tooth is missing. Depending on the location of the implant, it may be placed at a slight angle to utilize as much available bone as possible. The implant may be left to heal for up to 2 weeks or for a few months, depending on bone quality. Following healing, a titanium post is screwed into the implant body. The abutment is placed at an appropriate angle to ensure that the restoration is in alignment with adjacent teeth. The replacement tooth, or crown, is cemented or screwed onto the abutment, creating an aesthetic and functional restoration. If you are missing a single tooth, an implant-supported crown may be the best solution for you. Implant-supported crowns can provide the following advantages over traditional treatment options: look, feel, and perform similar to your natural tooth. Help preserve surrounding bone by replacing the tooth root. Help prevent bone loss and jawline recession. Do not compromise your adjacent teeth to support a bridge. Restore a more secure biting ability than removable denture. Restore self-confidence and appearance. Improve appearance and self-esteem. Require similar oral care as a natural tooth.